is long. I forgot why I never come to LA, but that's why, because the flight is long. And on the way back, I'm gonna lose hella time, but I'm already smelling weed, so that's a good thing. And yeah, it looks like the weather's pretty nice. So we came to this place because we heard it was weed friendly, you could smoke while you eat, but the service and the food was so trash. Let me tell you, I cannot tell you how bad this food and service was. Everybody must have been high. Everybody. And after going inside for a bathroom break, we quickly realized why the food was so terrible. The place was terrible. I mean, it was dark and smelled like, I can't even describe what this place smelled like. It was just terrible. Never eat at a place without going inside first. So this was our Airbnb right off of Hollywood Boulevard. It's a great location. It was beautiful. I really have nothing to complain about. That couch was my bed and it was awesome. This balcony had a nice view. And this was right outside. We had to try a few different dispensaries. Of course, couldn't take too many videos inside, but I would say this one's the cheapest that we went to. This place is so nice. It fits like our aesthetic of just being cute. So Uber Eats definitely came through. I love mushrooms. I know this looks weird to y'all, but it's so good to me. And the only person still up with me was Brittany. The next morning, of course, these hoes wanted some Roscoe's chicken and waffles. We had a long wait, so we walked up to see the Hollywood sign. If you know anything about LA at all, you know it is the home of homeless people. And this part of LA was no different. I forgot to get a video of their food because I couldn't eat a single thing there, but it looked good. I didn't get any footage inside of here, but just know this is my favorite place to shop in LA. Oh my god, this place is heaven. So I was actually able to record some stuff in this dispensary. It was definitely the most fanciest, high-tech, but overpriced. So we just got enough to take to the beach. Oh, it's a doggy! Have a good one. Thank you. Every other time I've been to Santa Monica Pier, I always just walk along the boardwalk. This time we noticed that there was like a little bike trail walkway thing, so it was really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my weekend in Los Angeles. Hopefully you saw some dispensaries and some food places you might want to check out while you're there. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. It's just the footage. I'm gonna just do it all like with music most of it. Okay. Just showing what we did quick.
And you edit them yourself?
On iMovie on my iPhone.
Oh, you techie, okay.
It's really, no, it's really, girl, I'm not at all. I'm not. My videos is kind of half-assed, but you can do it on iMovie, like a really decent one. Birthday girl.
Hey, y'all.
Are you enjoying your trip?
Oh, yeah, we're in LA with the vibes.
The vibes.
Smoking big tuka. Good vibes and good weed.
Right. Hop in.
You need to go ahead and start, because y'all